twins' first birthday photo session. I think it's going to be challenging today because I see Brock, but the family agreed to have a photo session. We have few friends running, so I want to prepare as much as possible, but not to be in a way, easy to move, so we can move fast from scene to scene, so kids feel better. Okay, I got my end of day one boho style first cake smash. Andrew, blow the balloon.
Okay.
It's so fun. Okay, this is going to be a smash cake. We'll see how kids cooperate. If they're gonna cry and go crazy, so we can do give them a little bit. So the mom requested boho style with white and green, or with kind of dry look, like I have this kind, and I have one more. So it depends also the boho style she likes. I don't know. I prefer both.
In love, we could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. Nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da -dun 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 -day. Summer is for falling in love.